Peru News Today. All you need to know about Peru.
Peruvian Gastronomy, Squid Chicharrón recipe. Ready a delight to the palate. Squid are the favorite mollusks of the Peruvian public. Not only are they very common in markets, but they are also the basis of many preparations. On this occasion we will talk about the preparation of squid chicharrón, one of the most exclusive, delicious and nutritious. Let's start with the recipe. Chicharrón is a very common presentation for all types of meat, poultry and now also for seafood species. It goes well with everything, it's really delicious and, most importantly, easy to make. If you want to know how to prepare squid crackling, stay with us. Preparation time, 20 minutes. Cooking time, 10 minutes. Total time, 30 minutes. Diners, 4 people. Calories, 80 kilocalories. Ingredients: 1 kilo of squid, cleaned and cut into slices. 2 tablespoons salt. 1 tablespoon pepper. 1 tablespoon minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of silao. 1 lemon. 1 egg. Half cup unprepared flour. Half cup chuno. 500 milliliters oil. Instructions. 1. The squid chicharrón recipe begins with the seasoning. Add a tablespoon of salt, pepper, ground garlic, silao and lemon juice. This will work as the marinade for our squid. 2. Next, beat the egg with a tablespoon of salt and pass the squid slices through the mixture one by one. 3. Immediately, immerse everything in a mixture made of flour and chuno. 4. Mix everything very well and separate one by one, verifying that everyone is completely coated with the mixture. 5. Finally, pour plenty of oil into a frying pan and place the squid one by one to fry on both sides when it is very hot. When browning, remove and drain. That's how easy it is to make this delicious dish, perfect for a very Caribbean-style lunch. We cannot leave without first leaving you 3 recommendations that will make the result much better. Tricks and tips. This exquisite dish can be consumed with French bread. Like any dish made with mollusks, fish or shellfish, it goes very well with a lemon-based sauce. You can leave the squid in the marinade for a couple of hours before coating. Ready a delight to the palate. Subscribe and follow us on our social networks, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and TikTok.
Peru News Today. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.